Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English, and today I am going to explain how to write the exercises of chapter 9 in your notebook. So, student, for that you have to take out your notebook and mention date of today, and after that you have to mention chapter 9 and chapter name. Student, in chapter 9 there is a first exercise number A. In exercise A, there is you have to write the heading, name any 4 animals that live on Joy's farm. So, student, you have to write those animal name who live at Joy's farm. So, you know that there is a dogs, cow, ducks, fish. So, you have to write name of that animals. So, first of all, you have to write dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog. Second, hen, H-E-N, hen. Third, cow, C-O-W, cow. Fourth, you have to write duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, like this you have to complete exercise A. After that, come to the next. In exercise B. In exercise B, there is a answer this question. So you have to mention the heading. Okay, after that, come to the first question. Where does Joy go with his mother and father? Student, where does Joy go with his mother and father? So you have to write the answer. Joy goes to the farm with his mother and father. Okay, like this you have to complete this answer. After that, come to the next question. Next question is, at what time do they leave? At what time do they leave? So you have to write time. So they leave at 5 o'clock in the morning. You have to write the answer. They leave at 5 o'clock in the morning. After that, next question. Next question is, name 3 things that they bring back from the farm. So you have to write 3 things name. So first thing is milk, second is vegetables, and third is eggs. Like this you have to write question answer in your notebooks with a good handwriting. Okay, student. Now come to the next exercise. Next exercise is, who did what? Name the person. Student, you have to write that person name who did this given work. Okay. So in first there is boiled the eggs. So we have to write that person name. So mummy boiled the eggs. So we have to write mummy. So what is the spelling of mummy? M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. After that, chop the vegetables. Chopped the vegetables. So papa chopped the vegetables. So we have to write papa. So what is the spelling of papa? P-A-P-A, papa. After that, third work is shelled the peach. Shelled the peach. So we have to write mummy. Okay, mummy shelled the peach. So we have to write mummy. And what's the spelling of mummy? M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. After that, come to the next. In next exercise, exercise D. In exercise D, there is a fill in the blanks with word from the box. So you have to write the animal's house. Okay, here is some animals and you have to write their house name. So first, there is a horse lives in a stable. And what is spelling of stable? S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Second is, a hen lives in a coop. So we have to write spelling of coop, C-O-O-P, coop. Next, a duck lives in, so where did duck lives? So duck lives in a pond. So we have to write P-O-N-D, pond. Third, after that, fourth, a dog lives in a, so we have to write kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Next is number 5. In number 5, there is a rabbit. So student, where do you know where the rabbit lives? So rabbit lives in a hutch. So you have to write a spelling of hutch, H-U-T-C-H, hutch. We can also write burrow. Okay, B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. Okay. Next, a sheep lives in a pen, P-E-N, pen. Okay. After completing exercise A, B, C, D, come to the next exercise. In next exercise, there is a Exercise number E. In exercise number E, circle the correct word to complete these sentences. So in first, there is a cow give us milk or eggs. So we know that cow give us milk. So we have to circle the word milk. Milk, okay? We have to circle milk. After that, a jeep has a 4 feet or wheels. So wheels. We have to circle word wheels. Third, we eat fresh or new vegetables. So we have to eat always fresh vegetable. Next, ducks. Ducks swim or walk. So ducks swim in the water. So we have to circle the word swim. Okay. After that, next exercise H, exercise F. In exercise F, there is a change the first letter of this word to get word from the lesson. So student, we have to change this given word's first letter, and after that we have to make a new word which is given in our chapter number 9. So let's do it. In first, there is a word wish. So we have to change first letter W. So we have to write fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Second, fan. So we have changed, when we change F, we have to write C-A-N, can. Third, bond. So we have to write pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Fourth, clay. So we have to write play, P-L-A-Y, play. In fifth, silk. So we have to write milk. And sixth, peep, we have to write jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep. Student, like this we have to write word, new word, which are given in chapter number 9. Come to the next exercise. In exercise I, you have to write. Next exercise is exercise I. In exercise I, look at this picture and write a describing word of your own. So student, we have to write the describing word, okay, according to the picture. So here is not picture in your book. So you have to see, and after that write in your notebook. So first of all, there is a birds. So bird, what the describing word of birds? So word is small. So we have to write small, S-M-A-L-L, small. After that, next is tree. So trees are big or tall. We have to write tall or big, both, okay. One, tall, okay. After that, come to the next is balloons. So there are 4 balloons. So we have to write F-O-U-R, 4. Next there is a pink kites. We have to write the describing word pink, P-I-N-K, pink. After that, children. So we have to write happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy children, okay. The describing word of children is happy, okay. Next, flowers. So we have to write beautiful. And what is spelling of beautiful? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. Okay student, like this we have to complete the exercise I in our notebooks. After that, come to the next exercise is writing work. So here is a letter who wrote by Jojo, sorry, not Jojo, Joy, okay. So it is exercise number L. Complete the letter that Joy wrote to his friend, okay. So who's the friend of Joy? Do you know? So we have to write the name of Jojo, okay. So Joy is write that, dear Jojo, I went to the farm. F-A-R-M, farm. We have to fill farm. Next, with mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, and father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. We have 2 dogs named Raja and Rani. What is the spelling of Raja and Rani? R-A-J-A, Raja, R-A-N-I, Rani. After that, next line, they were very happy to see. We have to fill happy to see, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, T-O-2, S-E-E-C, me. They were very happy to see me. Next line, there is a big pond, P-O-N-D, pond, at the farm. It is full of fish, F-I-S-H, fish. And next line is, we proud. We have to fill milk, eggs. What is the spelling of milk? M-I-L-K, milk. And the spelling of eggs is E-G-G-S, eggs. And vegetable from the farm. Okay student. So this letter is complete. Next line is your loving So you have to write the Joy name because this letter are wrote by Joy. And after that, at last we have to mention the day of today. Okay, the date of today. So today date is 19, 11 and 20. So we have to mention the date of today. Okay student, like this we have to complete these exercises in our notebooks with good handwriting. Student, I hope this will be clear to you how to complete your notebooks in a good handwriting. So you have to also learn these exercises and write it in your notebook. Okay student, so till then take care, stay safe, stay healthy and enjoy your classes. Thank you.